So guys, here we have is our USDJPY. So please before you go, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Now we can see this movement we've all been talking about on USDJPY. Basically, we've actually been predicting this move. If you were following this channel, you would have seen how we highlighted this level top and we highlighted this below level, which we would be taking top as our resistance and why we'll be taking the low below level as our support level. Now we all know how resistance and move when price is ranging. We all know it's actually hits the resistance and come to the support level. We saw it roll up to this resistance level, right? Then it dropped to our support level. We also predicted a move again to our resistance level. This is on the daily time frame, so do not forget. So we also predicted a move to our support level, which actually came, and again we also predicted that this price will be moving to our resistance level. And now what are we going to be expecting next is actually a drop again on our support level. So USDJPY, we are expecting a drop, and I'll tell you another reason why if you are to take a look at it on this USD index. Now take a look at this USD index for better understanding why we will be dropping against our JPY. Is that when you look at this USD index, I mean this we are on an uptrend move, right? I mean we are bullish, right? There's no doubt we see in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now take a look at this. We saw this highs. This was the previous highs. Let us just analyze from here. This was the previous highs. Then a new highs was made. This new highs actually broke above this previous highs. That is a feature of an uptrend. We saw this impulse move. Then we add another ice. If you look at it, where this ice, this huge week actually broke this previous ice, right? Then a pullback occurred, right? Then another new ice was made on our USD index. This new ice broke this previous ice. This was the previous ice, right? So of course, after the new ice, we'll be expecting a pullback. Now take a look at it, right? So it is now the reason why we are now on a pullback on USDJPY. Now take a look at it now. This was an uptrend move. We'll start it from here. Sorry, I will start this movement from here, guys. Let's start it from here. So for better understanding, this was an impulse move. There was a correction here on USDJPY. Then another impulse move. Then we had this correction, right? And now take a look at this USD to JPY. Huge impulse move upward. Of course, a pullback would be expected. It is what we are having now. So this USD index, as we are having a pullback, which will be bearish, which means any other pairs we are trading to our USD will go bullish. That is to say that USD to any pairs will drop. So USD, we are expecting a drop on our USD. This is why I said USD to JPY, we are expecting a drop. So once our USD index is giving us that bearish move, which is dropping, then we would see that bearish move drop on our USD JPY. So basically, guys, as this USD is dropping, so we would see it reflect on our USDJPY, which means our USDJPY will drop. So we would want to see it drop to this our support level again. So that is to say we are still ranging on the 4-hour time frame. This is on the daily time frame, right? We are still ranging on the daily time frame on USDJPY. Now possibly if you want to take this trade, let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. 4-hour time frame will be the time frame to actually enter this trade. Now take a look at it, right, guys? I mean, take a look at this drop on this 4-hour time frame. It's drop got in here. So maybe if there's a little bit of a pullback, if a pullback will occur, which I don't think so, but if the pullback will occur, then it should be a little bit of a pullback should occur, then another drop. Maybe after the pullback, you can jump on this trade and short this USD to JPY. So USD JPY, guys, we are to drop. We are going bearish on USD JPY.